Welcome to Hook&Reel Fishing. Hope everybody's enjoying themselves here. Today's episode will feature some voiceover because the wind was absolutely killing my audio. There was a little storm that was starting to blow in there on me, and the wind was just whipping at 100 miles an hour. And there's a swing and a miss. Yeah, it's kind of hard for me to catch that very first one. I get pretty excited. Set the hook a little too early there. Trying out one of my new homemade hand-poured worms. And so at this moment, I'm starting to freak out because I have never in my life seen such a large school of bass, or any fish at that matter. All out of nowhere, there had to be 75, 100 striped bass just busting the top water. It was absolutely insanity, and it was all directly behind me. The wind was blowing my kayak. I couldn't turn it. I'm getting very frustrated because I have no topwater tied on. I don't do well with topwater in this area at all, so I never tie one on. Very frustrating. So I reached for the next best thing that I did have tied on, an Amazon swim bait, multi-sectional. I'm about to go to the GoPro audio here in a moment, so I apologize for the horrible wind noise. All the splashing and everything you're gonna hear in the background is not waves. That is a shitload of fish just splashing and popping the top water like madness, complete madness. And I put this swim bait to work. Oh, right there. Almost had one. Shit. Scared me. they're everywhere and I can't catch one. Got him. Oh, strippers everywhere. Oh shit. So I just dropped my whole pole in the water. Ugh. That'd be good for it. Come on, give me a lip. Give me a lip. Give me a lip. Alright. Oh. Oh, it's sopping wet. Damn, missed me. It's freaking hot over here right now. It's crazy. Oh, almost had that one. Got him. Oh, man. Oh, oh yeah. Is he swimming with me? Little babies, but they're so fun. Amazon swim bait. And just like that, the feeding frenzy came to an end. It was pretty fun. It was pretty exciting. It was pretty frustrating. I was happy to catch a couple though, for what I was working with. That old Amazon swim bait, it's something else. It's got good action to it. It's just, I don't know. So I know from now on I will have some top water tied on at all times in that spot. And there goes a Jeep Wrangler driving across the dam in full Jurassic Park wrap. Okay. So at this point I'm probably saying, here, fishy, 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 fishy. Oh yeah, so here's a special moment. Me being the horrible fisherman that I am. So I switched back over to a soft plastic. And I thought I got hung up. It was just nothingness. And then all of a sudden I felt a little bit of weight. My hand slips off of the reel right there. And I missed the hook set. And a very big fish got away. Magical. So the clouds blew out. The blue skies came in. Started looking like a pretty nice day. And then I missed another good sized fish. So I didn't want a repeat of what happened just earlier. So when I felt a little bit of weight, I gave her a full send and probably pulled his face off. Bite right off the rip. Right off the rip. Man. Check that boy out. Oh. Got a son of a. Man, I was towing him in. Oh, he just jumped out of the door when the truck was still driving. Oh, tuck and roll, buddy, tuck and roll. I might have to mix up some more of this color. Got away with it. Got away with it. That's alright, because I got him. Well, I really wanted my first fish on my handmade bait to be hanging out of his mouth, but he ate it. He ate it. It's in there somewhere. All right, little guy. Yeah. Let's try it again. Bait. Nice backflip. Ooh, that little fucker took my toe right off. Well, the wind started to pick back up. And the clouds started rolling back in. And there's a green one that I mixed up. I was really impressed by that color. Thought it looked so cool. I'm gonna name that one the Hulk because it freaking scared everything away from it. Did not turn out like I thought it would. Yeah, that's the way it usually goes. Every time I think a bait looks cool, it does zero. So maybe I should just start grabbing ugly baits. Well, anyways, I figured I'd work that grass line with the little creature bait. Pulled out the old trusty watermelon red. Spoiler alert, it got zero. Probably because I thought it looked cool. Hello, is this thing still on? Yep. Alright, let's throw on a little Texas rig because that's what I always do. Maybe one day I'll try something different like a Carolina. Take a moment here to say thanks to everybody. Everybody watching, everybody supporting, everybody subscribing. I'd like to thank my #1 subscriber, who is also my very first subscriber. You know who you are. Thanks for all your support. And y'all drop some comments down there. Let me know something. Give me some feedback. You want to see some reviews on something you see on my channel? Maybe that Lose Mach 2 right there. I have a few complaints about it. Actually, I only have one complaint about it. Alright, before I bore all three of y'all to death, I'll go ahead and end this here. Video's running a little bit long. So everybody stay safe, have fun, fish hard.